Wavelink 3.0 no longer synchronizes the default output device when you change it in Windows the way that it used to do in 2.0. But if you have a Stream Deck, you can synchronize it with this button. Install the Audio Switcher plugin by Fred Emmett. Create a multi-action switch button. I already have one made here. So click into it. For the first option, the audio devices, set audio device. That is going to be that audio switcher plugin. Add the set audio device and then add the Wavelink output device. For the audio devices, we'll choose output, roll, default, and then headphones. And then for the Wavelink output device, set the device to your headphones. In this case, it's my Elgato Wave 3 mic is my headphones. Then on number 2 of the multi-action, add those same ones, but set them both to be your speakers. Wavelink also set to speakers. And now when you use this button, it'll switch between speakers and headphones. And it'll also switch the default audio device in Windows. Headphones, I press the button, switch to speakers, press the button again, headphones. And for the icon, I used the icon that come with the audio switcher plugin.